Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Nillkin Super Frosted Shield case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Yesterday's video, I reviewed their carbon fiber case, and some people liked this, some people didn't, because it wasn't a complete case. This one actually has the front piece that is available to you and you get it right away. The other one doesn't come with it. It is what it is. So if you want the front piece, this case may be something that you want to pick up. I will have the links in the description. You can get it from their website. They have many different choices on each case and everything. So look on that website and pick out a case that you want. Like we normally do in my reviews, to make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit of the case. Does it add bulk? How strong is the magnet? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Bam. Nice packaging from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It's bright though. Let's see. Oh. Okay. That is grippy. And look at that camera cutout too. And it has hinge protection. Does it come with a kickscan? I mean, like a... Does not come with a glass screen protector, but you do have extra adhesive strips, and you also have some wipes and stuff, and you get this instructions here. You have instructions on how to install it, but let's put this on the side. So you have the little front piece here with the adhesive strip, and then you have the back, but that back is magical. All right, let's take off this strip. This little strip will wear out. If you take off your case a lot, like I do, this strips will start wearing out. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. The other cases that that strip is strong though. So you just want to make sure you have it on there good. And you can even press it down. But I love the overall, I like the camera cutout. Bam. Wait, I think I forgot one strip in here too though. Oh, you don't have a strip in here. I thought they had a strip in here. No strip. So, does it add bulk? Let's get that question out of the way. It does not. I mean, it's not a bulky case. It's not. Is it a minimalistic case? No, but it's not a bulky case. I like how you have grip right here too. Do you get, oh, look at that camera protection, y'all. Look at the cutout, and then look how precise that is. That's probably, they have to get the A+ for the camera cutout. I think that's one of the most precise cutouts that I've tried. And you do get lip protection at the top and the bottom here. Everything lines up at the bottom also. Everything lines up at the top. The power button, you have enough room. Vine rockers are nice and tactile. I like the grip. I like that feel in the hands. You have hinge protection. So when you open it up, it does cover some of it, but not a lot. And then trying to get this off. Yeah, I mean, this fits good. Yeah, I heard that snap too. Look how bright the screen is too. Screen is always bright, man. Bam. Now the only thing is, I think this will move around a little bit, this little strip here, but let's see, if does it move after you're closing it so many times? Maybe not. So overall, I mean, this is a great case. I love the camera cutout. I think, again, this is probably one of the best, if not the best. A little logo there too. The Nillkin logo. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you have a problem. You can wireless charge, and then, oh, my poor charger in my phone. I hope Samsung don't watch this video. So they'll be like, you can't trade your phone and you dropped it too many times. Is the magnet like one of the strongest ones that I've seen out there? I'm gonna say no, but again, you're not gonna sit here and shake it like this. You know, if I'm not touching the back of the phone, that magnet is pretty strong. You know, a little battery bank on there. This UAG. I guess I'm gonna have to try out more battery banks too. And yes, it's charging too with that battery bank on there. So, I mean, this is a solid case. I think a lot of people might go for this type of case here because this one actually checks off a lot of boxes. You have the front piece and the back piece together. You have great camera cutouts and great protection. You have lip protection for your beautiful display there. The buttons are nice and tactile for the Vine rockers. The fingerprint scanner works great for me. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top. You have hinge protection. I wish they did carry this grip into the hinge. That would have been even better. I mean, it fits really well. It doesn't move around too much. I can pull the bottom off a little bit. I mean, right here. But that's because you probably can stick this down more and get the thing. So overall, the case fits really good. Has protection on there. Doesn't have bulk. Wireless charges is good. The magnet is strong. So I think Nillkin might have hit it out of the park with this case because I think a lot of people will like this case. This is very similar to like the Spigen case out there, the Tough Armor case, even like the Taurus case out there too. I mean, because it doesn't have bulk, and that grip that you get from this back is amazing. So stay tuned. I do have one more case coming from Nillkin to review. This one, the next one, I think y'all gonna like too, but one design that, you know, they have different options on it. So we'll review that in a little bit. But if you like this case and you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, stay tuned. I am picking up the Pixel 10 Pro XL. That will be coming out really soon on the channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.